Hi there, I hope you're keeping well. My name is Angela. So today I wanted us to look at the best way to cook your yam to get the best out of it because yam has a lot of benefits. So yam is a root vegetable and a popular staple in Africa. Yams are an excellent source of fiber and also high in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C. So as a result of its potassium content, it is well suited for people with high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and also cardiovascular diseases. So yam is a good staple to include in your diet. Also for diabetic patients as well. Studies showing that because yam contains resistant starch, it is good. In the meantime, I just want to show you how the best way to boil your yam. I'm putting my yam in a steaming pot. So there's water in the base and it separates the yam from the water, yeah? Because when it soaks in water, a lot of those potassium and magnesium get wiped out into the water, which we end up throwing away. So I've put my yam slices in my steaming pot. I've added a bit of Himalayan salt, and I'm going to just boil that for about half an hour or until it is soft. In the meantime, I also wanted to just show you what I do to preserve my yam. Yams often go off quickly. They end up with black spots inside and on the skin. So this is what I do just to preserve my yam and make sure I have it fresh the next time I need it. So I wash it thoroughly and place in freezer bags like so after slicing and just freeze. So what happens is when I need it, I bring it out and I steam it. And it is just like it wasn't in the freezer. So this is one way I preserve my yam. Try it and let me know what you think, if it works for you. Yeah, but I find it even the color won't change. It just stays the same. So I'm going to freeze that now and just bring it out the day I need it. So our yam has been steaming for about half an hour and I'm just going to check if it's soft. So once the fork goes through, that means it is ready and it is cooked. Yeah. Raw yam is not very good. It can actually irritate the skin. So just make sure your yam is cooked properly. And then the skin of the yam. So two benefits. One is not boiling your yam in water. You steam it. You get all the goodness intact. And then the other benefit is steaming the yam with the skin. Means all the goodness, the potassium, the copper, and the vitamin C in the skin will infuse into your yam rather than into the water as well. And that gives you super benefit from your yam. There's a Japanese research study showing that yam skin extract, when applied to liver cancer cells, that these cells were seen to reduce. So there is some cancer fighting benefit, or there may be some cancer fighting benefits in consuming yam. So if someone is going through cancer journey, I would say yam is good. People have asked me, is yam okay? It is carbohydrate. Cancer cells feed on carbohydrates that break down into sugar. Yes, yam is still a carbohydrate, but it's a healthy one, and because it is a resistant starch, which means it goes through the body without digesting and sits in the colon and ferments. It actually is very okay and also very high in fiber content, which means it is okay. However, moderation is key. What I do is I would say 20% of my plate will be yam and then 80% will be vegetable or the protein I'm using. In this case, for this yam today, I'm having it with a slice of yam and some fish pepper soup. You could also have it with vegetable sauce. Make the vegetable more than the yam, but there is goodness in yam, so don't cast it away. A lot of people also, watching their weight, don't like yam. They avoid yam because they think it would increase their weight. A cup of yam actually just contains about 150, just over 150 calories, so it's not bad at all, even though it looks like it's more starchy, and it is okay. So this is the next week and I brought out my frozen yam. I just want to show you quickly how I would now cook it from frozen as well. So you separate the slices. A lot of times they may be stuck, and what you can do is leave it out for an hour before you need to cook it, or you have to be patient anyway. So I placed it in my steaming pot again with water in the base pot, and I'm just going to steam that. This will take a bit longer because you're cooking from frozen now, so you have to be patient. Increase the heat initially, and then reduce it and let it just cook gently. So this took 35 minutes to steam, and it is ready now for serving. So that's how you cook your yam from frozen once you've put it in the freezer. So for this one, I'm having my yam with some kale, vegetable soup, and salmon fish sauce. So yeah, really delicious and very healthy. So enjoy, and I hope you find this video useful. Please share with your loved ones. The best way to get the best out of your yam is to not peel it and to steam it. This is exactly how my grandma used to make her yam. Our ancestors definitely knew better. So do enjoy this. Let me know how you get on, and also please do subscribe to this channel and like and share the video, and I'll see you in my next. Thank you. God bless you.